Imagine this. You finally install Kali Linux, start a scan, open a virtual machine, and suddenly your laptop freezes. Fan noise goes crazy, screen lags, and all your motivation drops in seconds. Ethical hacking is not just about skills. Your laptop can either help you grow or slow you down. In this video, I'll clearly explain ethical hacking laptop requirements, step by step. Which processor is best, how much RAM you really need, SSD or HDD, GPU importance, and my personal recommendations. If you're serious about ethical hacking, watch till the end. 1. Processor CPU, the brain of ethical hacking. Let's start with the most important part. The CPU ethical hacking involves virtual machines, network scanning, pen testing tools, password cracking. All of this depends heavily on the processor. Best CPUs for ethical hacking: Intel Core i5 10th Gen or newer, Intel Core i7 for better performance, AMD Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7. Minimum requirement for cores: recommended 6 to 8 cores. Avoid low-end CPUs like Intel i3, Celeron, Pentium. These will slow down your learning. Link in the description for best Intel and Ryzen laptops. 2. RAM memory multitasking power. Here's a truth many beginners learn late. Ethical hacking without enough RAM is painful. Virtual machines alone can consume 4 to 6 gigabytes RAM. RAM requirements: minimum 8 gigabytes only for beginners. Recommended 16 gigabytes for smooth performance. Always choose a laptop with upgradable RAM. Link in the description for 8 gigabytes and 16 gigabytes RAM laptops. 3. Storage SSD is not optional. Speed matters in ethical hacking. HDD will boot slowly, load tools slowly, waste your time. SSD will boot fast, load VMs quickly, improve productivity. Best choice: minimum 512 gigabytes SSD recommended. 1 terabyte SSD. Best NVMe SSD. Link in the description for best SSD laptops. 4. GPU. Do you really need one? This is a common question. GPU is not mandatory for beginners. You only need a dedicated GPU if you do. Advanced password cracking, hash cracking, GPU-based attacks. Recommended GPU: NVIDIA GTX 1650, RTX 3050, or HIGHE.R4. Learning and practice. Integrated graphics are enough. Link in the description for GPU laptops. 5. Motherboard and build quality. In laptops, you can't select the motherboard directly, but you must check. RAM upgrade support, SSD expansion slot, good cooling system, no overheating issues. Reliable brands: Dell, HP, Lenovo, ASUS. A stable laptop keeps your focus on learning, not fixing problems. 6. Battery, keyboard, and ports. Ethical hacking means long hours. So you need comfortable keyboard, backlit keyboard bonus, USB ports, and Type-C. At least 5 to 6 hours battery backup. Small details make a big difference over time. My recommendations for beginners: Intel i5 or Ryzen 5, 8 gigabytes RAM, 512 gigabytes SSD. For serious learners, Intel i7 or Ryzen 7, 16 gigabytes RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, optional NVIDIA GPU. This setup will easily support your learning for the next 2 to 3 years. All recommended laptops are linked in the description. Conclusion: remember this. Ethical hacking is not magic. It's consistency, patience, and practice. A good laptop doesn't make you a hacker, but a bad laptop can stop you from becoming one. Choose wisely, invest once, learn without limits. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Comment which laptop you're using or planning to buy. And don't forget, Check the description for all recommended laptop links. We'll see you in the next video.